Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Hastuti from class A, NIM H01230002. Study Program Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris Angkatan 2023. Video ini dibuat untuk memenuhi tugas mid semester mata kuliah Reading for Professional Purpose dosen pengampu Dr. Adi Isma, SPD, MPD. First meeting, Introduction. Introduction to Reading for Professional Purpose by Lecturer Dr. Adi Isma, SPD, MPD. Introduction to the topics to be covered about lecture, lecturing contract, syllabus, lecturing process and assignment, and the last, assessment. Students are declared present if they attend lectures according to the specified schedule, as evidenced by their signature on the student attendance list. Assessment in the course includes assignments, effective practicum or optional mid-semester exam or UTS, and final semester exam or UAS. The midterm exam was held on the 8th meeting, and the final exam was held on the 6th meeting. Additional rules: students are not allowed to use smartphones in class during the lecture process without the permission of the lecturer in charge of the course. Presentation and discussion, and submit individual assignment. Assessment attendance 30%, assignments 40%, mid-semester test 15%, and final semester test 15%. And then second meeting, identifying key information in professional text. Identifying key information in professional text is an essential skill for understanding, recalling, and utilizing information effectively in professional context. Techniques of identifying key information in professional text. First, skimming and scanning. Second, reading headings and subheadings. Third, taking notes on the main content of the reading. 4. Finding important information in paragraphs. 5. Taking notes and summarizing. 6. Rereading the text. 7. Using critical thinking methods to find information in the text. Benefits of identifying key information in professional text. First, deeper text comprehension. Second, enhanced reading efficiency. Third, improved communication skills. And the last, better decision making. Third meeting, understanding structure and organization of professional text. Understanding structure and organization of professional text is the ability to recognize, analyze, and understand how a professional text is structured and present. Introduction to professional text includes purposeful communication, target audience, formal style, and conciseness and clarity. Key components of technical reports includes executive summary, introduction, methodology, and results and discussion. Organizing information effectively includes logical flow, clear structure, and visual aids. Strategies for clear and concise writing includes active voice, strong verbs, and concise phrase. Audience and purpose-driven organization includes target audience, communication purpose, and organization strategy. Best practices for professional text composition includes proofreading, feedback, professional standards, and continuous improvement. Fourth meeting, skimming and scanning techniques. Skimming is a technique of quickly reading a text with the goal of getting the general idea or main topic without worrying about details. Scanning means rapidly searching through a text with the specific goal of finding a particular piece of information or detail rather than reading comprehensively. Skimming techniques include reading the title, focusing on the topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph that summarizes the main idea, and read the summary and conclusion sections. Scanning techniques include identifying keywords quickly, reading quickly, looking at headings, looking for formatting such as bullet points, italics, bold, and so on. The importance of skimming and scanning includes time management, better comprehension, and improved accuracy. The purpose of skimming is to get a general idea of a text without reading in full. To get a general idea, text structure, main topic, main idea, and conclusion, to refresh memory, and so on. The purpose of scanning is to find out information quickly, to find relevant parts in a text, to monitor the progress of various sources of information, and so on. Fifth meeting, reading reports and proposals. A professional report is a formal document prepared to convey information, findings, analyze, or the results of an activity, research, or project to relevant stakeholders. This report is typically written in a structured format, including an introduction, methodology, results, conclusions, and recommendations supported by data or evidence. A professional proposal is a document submitted to propose a project, research, or plan to a specific party with the aim of gaining approval or funding. Tips for reading professional reports include: read the executive summary, focus on purpose and context, examine data and graphics, read the conclusion and recommendations, take time for reflection, and so on. Tips to understanding professional proposals include: identify the report's purpose, read with a specific focus, pay attention to recommendations, take notes and summarize, ask questions, and so on. Sixth meeting, critical reading for professional purpose. Critical reading in a professional context involves more than just understanding the text. It's about actively engaging with the material, analyzing its arguments, and evaluating its credibility. This skill is essential for professionals across various fields, from academics to business leaders. The purpose of critical reading in a professional context is for mental development, better understanding of the text, improved critical thinking, improved memory, better logic and problem-solving skills. The steps in critical reading is read normally, take notes, analyze each word, draw a conclusion. Critical reading strategies is preview, active reading, ask questions, summarize, and evaluate. 7th meeting. Reading for meetings and presentations. Reading for meeting and presentations is a specialized reading skill that focuses on deep understanding and effective utilization of information for the purpose of preparing for and engaging in meetings and presentations. Types of reading is skimming, scanning, and intensive reading. Tips for effective reading for meetings and presentations is set a goal, create a conducive environment, make a summary, connect with existing knowledge, evaluate source. Benefits of mastering this skill is time efficiency, in-depth understanding, better presentations, and better decision making.